Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chloe, and in today's video we're going to be doing this very simple fall look. Nothing too crazy. I actually had a lot of fun filming this video, so if you'd like to see how I did it, please continue watching. Wow, my teeth look so white. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm just using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil, and I believe the color is light blonde. I'm just going to lightly fill in my eyebrows. I never do too much with my eyebrows. I think mine have a decently nice shape, and I just kind of like to give them a little bit of extra color. So I'm just going to fill them in and then brush them out. Okay, so next up I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Lid Lockup Primer. It's just a eyeshadow primer that I bought actually forever ago at Target. It was on clearance for literally $2 and something cents, and it's the absolute best primer I've ever used. So cheap, such a dupe for other high-end products like the Urban Decay potions and everything like that. Absolutely love it. It keeps everything locked in place. So after I prime my eyes, I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Natural Matte Palette in the shade Heaven and set my primer here. And after that is all set, I'm just grabbing this fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Ow Natural. I don't really know. It's AU Natural. Ow, O, Ah, you know? And I'm just going to start lightly blending that into the crease on both of my eyes, as you can see here. So once that is all good and pretty much blended, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Urban Decay Naked Cherry Palette. Beautiful set of colors, very fall-y, love it. And I'm going to go in with the shade Devilish, and I'm just going to kind of draw a V in my outer corner to kind of deepen up my crease and give some more definition there. And after I add that shade on, I'm just going to blend it out with that same fluffy brush. So next, I'm going back to the Too Faced palette, and I'm going in with the shade Lace Teddy, which is a very pretty pink color, matte obviously, and I'm just going to kind of blend the darker shade into that one and fill out my lid. Wow, I look so dumb right there. Okay, and then I went ahead and did my mascara and eyeliner off camera. I get a little camera shy. And next we're going to start doing the face. Off camera I primed my face with the Professional Benefit Primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Mary Kay Light to Medium CC Cream and blend and buff that out all over my face with the Wet Beauty Blender. If you have not tried the Mary Kay CC Cream, I highly, highly suggest it. One of my best friends is actually a consultant for Mary Kay, and she lets me try out all kinds of different products, and the CC Cream has got to be my favorite by far. It provides such a seamless application, and it's such a lightweight formula that it doesn't even feel like it's going on, but it literally makes your skin glow inside and out. So here I'm going in with my Boing Too Faced concealer. I'm going to be honest, guys, this isn't my favorite concealer. It definitely has good shade and And pretty good pigmentation, I would say. However, it's kind of hard to blend. It takes a lot of work. But funny story, I want to say a few months ago, I went to Ulta and Benefit was having a sale where if you bought, like, I want to say $75 worth of makeup, you could get a free tote bag. So I just got 2 of the Roller Lash mascaras and then that random concealer to get this super cute blinged out tote bag. Totally worth it for the tote bag, but don't recommend the concealer. Maybe it works for other people. I don't know. As you can see here, it takes me forever to blend it, and I sped this part up. Okay, so next up I'm just going to set my whole face with my fluffy brush from Real Techniques and my Bare Minerals light to medium setting powder. Just kind of brushing everything out, mattifying my face up. And after this, we're going to go in with the Hoola bronzer. Oof, look at how harsh that line looks right now. My God. Okay, and now I'm going in with, I believe, some sort of Stila powder, maybe? I'm not really sure, I don't use it that frequently, but I'm just gonna kind of sculpt out my contour there and my bronzing and highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, as well as my forehead. Okay, next up I'm using the Urban Decay setting spray, just spritzing out my whole face. And after I apply my setting spray, I'm going to grab my Becca Cosmetics highlighter, absolutely gorgeous, might I add. Adore it so much, it's so pretty, such a pretty color. And we're just going to apply that to the normal spots, a little bit on the nose, a little bit on the lips, you know. Okay, and for the sake of this video, I did apply a really pretty lip color. It's the Tarte brand.
Hi guys. So this is the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.